Interpower Corporation's accessory power products are manufactured in the United States at our Iowa facilities. We supply our global customers with 1-week lead times and same-day shipping on products we carry in stock. Interpower's accessory power line is a group of IEC 6320 interconnection components that are key to how manufacturers globalize business. All that is needed is a country-specific mains connection for a primary power supply plugged into the wall. After that, Interpower's IEC EN 6320 accessory power products will distribute power to machines and other components using 6320 accessory power strips, jumper cord sets, inlets and outlets, connectors, and plug connectors in place of country-specific components to distribute power within a complex system. As an example, say a system has been designed for 4 country-specific power supplies: Germany, Australia, United States, and the United Kingdom. As a result, all of the cord sets from the power distribution unit to all equipment would typically need to match the plug configuration needed for each country. But using the accessory power system offered by Interpower, the power distribution unit and the associated jumper cord sets and other components can remain universal for nearly all countries, with minor exceptions for China and Japan. The only needed country-specific cord set is the one plugged into the wall, leading to the accessory power strip. Interpower Corporation offers a number of different accessory power strip units and components. Interpower's accessory power line vastly reduces the number of changes in components by eliminating country-specific component limitations. It simplifies designs through IEC EN 6320 standards. This reduces the number of different cord sets and power distribution units that manufacturers need to stock, resulting in reduced cost, reduced overhead, and less conversion time. Interpower accessory products are used globally for an array of applications and devices, including medical and IT markets.